Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ubak Prestone tensong hadian masyamti kum menteri berthamai ketenat kakak cakya ula kentu yaki paiba ban bot Pyrkhing pha yaki Kyndon balabot dak ketenat na ka benta ban la ban telakam bat khang la de jing Prestone jong Khniang jing pang covid kat khandai ha ka jella.
See, right now the plan is the same, and our appeal to each and every citizen of the state is, please take care of yourself and stay safe, and unnecessarily please don't come out from your respective houses. And when you go out also, make sure that your mask is in place and take care yourself. This is the only way out where we can go.
Anything about this meeting that you would like to brief us?
No, this one is only for the state, the state vigilance committee on food and civil supply. So I just had a meeting with all the deputy commissioners. We review in case of any lapses or any late allotment of food grains. So everything is fine. I just had the review meeting on that.